Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we will continue to talk about the euro currency and start from the daily time frame. Although here we do not see any significant events that could happen during the previous trading sessions, just a shallow and tight price action during the yesterday's trading session. So what do we have? Nice thrust to the upside. Market has reached the confluence resistance on the daily time frame, 136.26, 136.83. That is, by the way, the 3/8 major resistance from the whole swing to the downside. So that is a significant level of resistance. Also, here stands the monthly pivot point, 137.17, and market has hit the daily level of overbought. This blue lines is not the Bollinger Bands. This is the Jordan-Napier oscillator predictor. It shows levels of overbought and oversold below the market. Well, and we said that probably market could show some retracement down since the market has hit some intraday targets, some Fibonacci extensions targets. Also, it's overbought, strong area of support of resistance. So we need some intraday pattern that could trigger our short position right from that area. Also, keep in mind that level of today's daily overboughts, 137.55. It will need us. Okay, so on the forum, you guys every time ask me about what we should watch for on the intraday chart when you said that we need some patterns that could trigger, watch for the clear signals on the intraday chart. Well, every time I answer that this could be some reversal pattern. So it could be, for instance, head and shoulders pattern, free drive, broadening top bottom. It could be the butterfly pattern, some harmonic patterns. Sometimes it could be even the significant candlestick pattern that could trigger a position that link with the Russian rings of the previous highs or something. So, and today you will be able to see it a bit more clear what particularly I wait before the entry on the market on long or short in any direction. So we see that on the daily time frame, just monthly pivot point stands above current market. Also, we see that today's daily overbought 137.55. That is inside trading sessions, very tight consolidation. So market hasn't shown really significant move to the downside, any pullback. Now let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we see the same picture as yesterday, but today we see that although trend has turned bearish on the 4-hour time frame, MACD shows the crossing of the lines, the price action doesn't confirm that. So market stands in the same some tight range and doesn't show any starting move to the downside. That is the sign, some bullish sign that market could show a new high. So we probably could treat it as the bullish dynamic pressure that's forming on the market currently. So that is tells that market has some strength to the upside, and probably it has some strength for the final jump up and then only could start retracement to the downside. Well, also you see the significant support levels that we have discussed yesterday. This first support where the retracement could stop is 134.82, 80 roughly area, 134.80, and the nearest next area is 133.51. Fib support that is logical from the perspective of the potential head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame. So we can't exclude the possibility of retracement even to that area. Okay, what particular retracement will be we will be able to answer when this retracement will start and if it will start. Now let's shift to the hourly time frame. What we see here, that is particularly what I mean when I say that wait for the clear patterns. Okay, this is not this doesn't mean that this butterfly is has to happen. But at least this is the potential trading plan, and this is potential what I would like to see before enter on the short side of the market. If I will see that this butterfly will start to work, will realize, this will give me much confidence to jump in from that area around 137.25 area. Okay, because I know that market at overbought, I know that this is significant area of resistance. I know that if market will reach that area, it will trigger and will test the monthly pivot point. Well, also I see that this is beyond the butterfly. This is also the 127 extension from that ABC bottom. Also I see that 100% extension from that ABCD pattern stands above the previous highs. Although this is just some pips above, but still this is above. It means that those people who place stops in that area have placed them in the most unwelcome area. Since the logical profit objective stands above it, it means that probably the stops will be triggered by that achievement of that target. This will add fuel to the further move to the upside due to the stops, and market, I suppose, easily will could be able to reach that area of resistance where the major reversal could start on the hourly time frame. So that is works as we just discussed. So if you trade on the daily time frame, you need to search some sell signals on the hourly. If you trade on the hourly, search sell signals on the 5-minute chart or maybe on the 15-minute chart on the lower time frames. That is what I mean when I said that watch for the potential clear patterns. From the contour view, if market will not realize this butterfly and accelerates to the downside further and will break out that low and will erase this butterfly, it will tell us that probably our suggestion about the new high before reversal was wrong, and we need just some retracement to the upside, probably to that area, if market will break that to the downside, just to enter on the short side of the market, since market will show its weakness when it's could break that area and erase this butterfly. So that is what I will particularly watch for and during today's trading session. Also, as I said, remember the number 137.55, that is daily overbought. If market will reach that area around 137.25, you could place stop just 30-40 pips above that area, and you will be absolutely calm that your stop hardly will be triggered, since this stop will be beyond the area of daily overbought. So for market, it's very difficult to force and pierce the daily overbought in the during the common price action when there is no such events as the, say, non-farm payrolls release, okay, when volatility stands in the normal range. So it's very difficult for the market to break the daily overbought to trigger your stops. Besides, this is an area of resistance, as we said, so it's very low probability that your stop will be triggered above the 137.55, okay, and entering from that area, the short side of the market will allow you to enter with a huge risk reward ratio. So that is nice context for the potential trade on the euro currency during today's trading session. Watch for this butterfly, keep an eye how it will develop. Well, if it will realize, probably you should sell from that area. It will hardly possible that market will accelerate to the 1618 of that butterfly, since the target of that butterfly 1618 extension stands beyond the daily overbought. So it's very difficult to assume that market will accelerate to the upside, at least today. Well, that's why I suppose that the more probability that market will start the retracement from that level. Okay, so that's, at least this is my trading plan for the current trading session. Well, that's choice is up to you. Do you like it or not? So if you trade different patterns, well, just watch for the clear patterns. Watch for the patterns that will give you sufficient confidence to pull the trigger and enter on the right side of the market, and keep your risk reasonable as always. Don't risk much, and good luck to you during today's trading session. I hope you will be able to make some pips today.